So have you ever wondered why people make video content about Temu? People complain a lot about Temu, how it's a scam, how they take your money, don't give. Of course, those are all true. If you're not careful on Temu, you're still going to lose your money. But still, people still seem to make videos, content about buying on Temu, how to get products on Temu, how to get cheap products on Temu. Have you ever wondered why? Yeah, well, this is what I'm here to talk about. Hi, welcome to Independently Tessa. If you're new, thank you for joining. And if you're a returning viewer, you're welcome. On this channel, I make videos about mindset growth, investment growth, passive income, making money online and offline. So today I'm here to talk about Temu affiliate program. There are many ways to make money on Temu. You can make money on Temu by buying products for cheap and selling it offline to your family, your neighbors and friends around you who don't want to order directly from Temu because they are tired of the whole Temu game setup and all that disruptive thing Temu does to like distract you from actually finding out that you're spending and wasting your money on Temu. So many people don't want to go through that and it confuses many people. Many people get discouraged when they enter Temu and they see themselves spinning wheels, doing discounts. Like it's too much. It's too much, Temu. It's too much. I digress. Where were we? Yes. So there are many ways for you to make money off Temu, but today I'm here to talk about just two ways. One as an affiliate marketer and one as an influencer. There is two programs. Of course, you can do both or you can choose one. So first, we'll focus on how to earn money as a Temu influencer, as a Temu affiliate influencer. So making money as a Temu affiliate influencer is simple. All you just have to do is have a YouTube channel, Instagram with quite a large number of followership. So it's very simple. All you just have to do is click the Temu affiliate program link. When you click the Temu affiliate program link, you see two tabs. One for the Temu influencer affiliate and one for the Temu marketer affiliate. When you click the tab for the Temu influencer affiliate, put in the Google email that is linked to your YouTube channel. It will take you directly to a page where you have to give Temu permission to have access to your YouTube account. Don't be scared that Temu is going to hack your YouTube account. First give them access and then apply for the program. Wait for the review. The review doesn't take long. Within a few minutes, it will be decided if the review was successful or not. If the review from Temu was successful and you have been approved as an influencer affiliate, all you just have to do is go to your Google account and then cancel the access you gave Temu. After you're done canceling it, you can now use the link, the special link that was generated for you. You can use that link to invite people to become affiliates like you on Temu, or you can use that link to give people to shop on Temu using your code. When you've linked your Google account or Instagram account or TikTok account to your Temu account, it will create a dashboard for you. And from this dashboard, you can track everything: your credits, the bonuses, the challenge being offered to influencers, affiliates, and marketers, and everything. So you work directly from your Temu dashboard. My suggestion for you is to create a simple home tab shortcut with the Temu affiliate link on your phone on your home tab. Create a shortcut that way you can easily access your Temu affiliate dashboard anytime you want to track your Temu affiliate income. Next, we're talking about how to register as a Temu marketing affiliate. That step is also very simple. All you just have to do is click the tab for the Temu marketing affiliate. So there are several options that will pop up on how you want to advertise Temu product and how you're actually going to be inviting people to Temu. And some of these options are WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp channel. I've forgotten. But yeah, so these are the options: WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and you get to choose which one you will use to invite people to Temu. And please take note, if you're going to be choosing anyone, make sure you have from 500 followers upward. Anything below, it's not going to be accepted by Temu. You need to have 500 followers. If it's a WhatsApp channel, at least have up to 500 followers. And if it's a TikTok or Instagram account, please have at least minimum 500 to 1K followers on any of this channel so your application can be quickly approved. For the Temu marketer affiliate, you can become an affiliate immediately after you've clicked on which channel you want to use to advertise Temu's products. That is not an issue. But first, after you become an affiliate, a code is generated for you. You are an affiliate, but you have not yet been reviewed and approved. When you become an affiliate, Temu gives you like 3,000 credits that you can use to shop for goods on Temu, but you are not yet an approved affiliate yet. So for you to become an approved affiliate on Temu, what you have to do is to get the link of your channel, of your account, whatever one you're using. If it's your WhatsApp channel, if it's your WhatsApp group, if it's your TikTok, Instagram, you get the link. After you've gotten the link, then you screenshot the bio page of your account or your channel where your code and your information about being a Temu affiliate marketer is showing. Like they need that screenshot. You also upload that picture with your link and then they'll review. The review also does not take very long. It is very short. Once everything is in place, all you just have to do is start advertising the Temu product you want people to buy with your code or through your link. So for you to earn good money as a Temu marketing affiliate or influencer, whatever you are, you're still like advertising products for Temu, so it's all the same, whether as an influencer or a marketing affiliate, whatever. So how you can earn money, whether you have a large number of followings or you don't have a large number of followings, easy way you can earn money as a Temu affiliate is to actually order products from Temu that are cheap and affordable for everyone. Then you demonstrate how to use it, and please don't forget to make videos showing people you actually got this product from Temu and not from anywhere else. You demonstrate how to use it, you show people how to use it, how cheap it is, and then you put these videos out there, short videos, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and you just put them on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok, on Instagram. And then, I mean, you've seen the videos out there, so they're pretty easy to make. You just have to tell people the products are real. Just have to tell people how to actually shop on Temu to get real products. Not, I just have to tell people how to actually get the real size of products, not what is being shown to you with the pictures on Temu. But there's a way to actually get the real size of products on Temu. There's a way to actually get the real size of products on Temu. It's easy. When you see them measure things in centimeter, all you just have to do is get a tape, measure centimeters, and there you have an idea of how that product is going to look like when it's actually shipped to you. Anytime I'm ordering on Temu, my tape is beside me. I'm always like, this is it, centimeter. So if you see product of 5 centimeter, this is it. If you see 10 centimeter, this is it. 15, this is it. So that way it's hard for Temu to like lie to you, and you'll think maybe a camera that is like this, it's like, you get the idea. And another way is you can make live stream videos of you unboxing your Temu haul. People love unboxing videos so much. No matter how little the things you bought from Temu are, you can make a live stream of you unboxing your Temu haul on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. People love unboxing videos. People love seeing new things come out of the shiny box. That's another way you can actually get people to use your affiliate link to get things from Temu, because when you're unboxing your haul, you get to show people what those products looks like in real time and how to actually use it and how they feel, their quality. You give a mini review as you're unboxing each product. You just give people a mini review. That way people get to trust you more and use your affiliate link to get those same products for themselves. That is another way to earn money as a Temu affiliate marketer or affiliate influencer. Why is it so difficult? Why is this secret? So that's it. It's very simple. Register as an influencer or register as a marketing affiliate. Very, very simple. And when you sign up, you get your welcome bonus, you get your referral bonus. It's just, yeah, Temu is really interested in you bringing more people into Temu. So they are willing to pay you more to bring in more people into Temu, to buy more things from Temu. It's an endless circle. But final warning, don't trust Temu. The whole setup is just, how do I say it? Rigs off. I won't call it Ponzi scheme, but Temu is, I mean, there are things that are cheap and it's genuine, but the way it's rigged, it just seems so scammy. Is the word I'm looking for. It seems so scammy with the games, the this, the that, the even. Anyway, just be careful how you spend on Temu. And when you're going to be referring a product to people who are coming in through your link, please make sure you have ordered this product, you have used this product, and you've given a review of this product. Just so when people use your link, they get exactly what they saw from you, and then they get to trust you more and they get to use more of your link. Please don't refer people to products that you've never used, you don't know the size of, or you don't know how it works, because that is a surefire way for your integrity to go. So please always make sure you get the products you want to refer to people from Temu first. You review it and then you see how it works. That way people can trust you when ordering with your affiliate link. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for sticking with me up to now. I just wanted a short video on how to earn as a Temu affiliate while you are in Nigeria. So thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're interested in more ways on how to earn from Temu, you can comment down below and I'll answer every question you have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.